Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Shopping Actions for Shopify detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a Google Merchant Center account. If you don't have one, visit the Google Merchant Center website and click on the Get Started button. Follow the prompts to create your account by filling in necessary details like your business name and website. Once your account is set up, log into your Google Merchant Center dashboard. Next, navigate to the Products section from the left panel. Here, click on Feeds and then select the option to create a new feed. Choose the country you want to sell in and select the language for your feed. After that, decide whether you want to create a scheduled feed or a one-time feed. For a Shopify store, creating a one-time feed is often easier to start with. Select the Google Sheets option and follow the instructions to download the required template. Fill in the template with your product details, ensuring you include essential attributes like ID, title, and price. Once your template is complete, upload it back to the Google Merchant Center. After uploading, review the products for any errors as indicated by the Merchant Center. Make necessary corrections if errors are found, and re-upload as needed. After all products are approved, proceed to link your Google Merchant Center account with Google Ads. To do this, go to the Tools icon at the top right of the Merchant Center. Find and click on Linked Accounts and follow the prompts to link your Google Ads account. Next, head over to your Shopify store and install the Google Channel app from the Shopify App Store. Once installed, open the Google Channel app within Shopify. Follow the prompts to connect your Google Merchant Center account to your Shopify store. When connected, you will configure your settings, including product availability and advertising options. Ensure that all relevant products are selected for Google Shopping. Once configured, submit your products for review through the Google Channel app. After review, your products will become eligible for Google Shopping Actions. Make sure to monitor your performance through your Google Merchant Center dashboard. Adjust your listings and ads based on performance insights to optimize your sales. Be patient, as it may take some time for your products to appear in Google Shopping results. Continue to optimize your Shopify store for better visibility and sales performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.